here and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a vision board. Vision boards are basically big collages of pictures that represent things that you want in your life. They really help you to visualize what it is that you want and what you're working towards, instead of it all just being in your mind. So let's get straight into it. So first you're going to want to know what size your backgrounds are for your phone or your laptop. So you just want to search that up. So mine would be MacBook Pro. And then so what you want to do next is just go onto Canva. So once you're on Canva, just click Create a Design and then click Custom Size and put in those dimensions. So mine is 1680 and the height is 1050. And then create new design. And then you just want to go to Pinterest after that and search up the things that you want to be, do and have in your dream life. So for example, I'm going to search up travel aesthetic. And you just look through the pictures and pick one that you really like. So I'm going to pick this one here. And then you just want to copy and paste the image onto your Canva canvas. And then you just keep going, searching up different things. So I'm going to search up car. I like this one. So I'm just going to finish it off and I'll show you the end product. I'll also link my Dream Life Pinterest board in the description so you can get these pics and others from there. So then you just arrange them how you'd like to. You can literally do a vision board however you want and for whatever area of your life. It could be your dream house or room, car, lifestyle, food, relationships, or just your dream life in general. Some people make vision boards for specific time periods, like their goals for the next year or two. It's just so you can use it as a source of motivation so that you can work towards achieving the things on it as much as possible. You could also even just go on Pinterest and pin photos of your dream life to a board that you name Dream Life. I do that every morning or when I need a motivation boost. Okay, I'm finally finished. That took like half an hour to do. But you know, it's worth it. And this is the final result. So once you're done, just save it as a PNG to your phone or your laptop and then make it your backgrounds. You can also print it out and put it on your wall. So that's how you make a vision board. Super easy, and it really is a good source of motivation for when you're working towards your dream life. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and if you're going to make a vision board. I would also really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to join my dream community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God did not put fear in my spirit. Okay. want in your life. Oopsie. So let's get straight into it. Okay, I'm getting less into it by saying it. Okay. Positive vibes. Okay, let's just start recording actually.